to Vlogmas day 30. Oh my gosh, today's my second last day of vlogging. I can't believe it. I'm really happy that I've been posting every day and I'm keeping up with it. My hair looks literally insane because I put it half up, half down. If you guys can tell, if you guys didn't watch the last vlog, my face is so gone. But we did karaoke last night with my family, like at a karaoke bar, and I'm so dead. But right now, I'm just waking up at 12. I slept a lot. Because my sister and I are gonna go down to Queen Street because she wants to go look at a few stores, and I think we're gonna go to Fresh for lunch because that's my favorite vegan restaurant in Toronto, so I've gotta go there. But I thought I'd show you guys my outfit. I have my little matching pajamas that I got from La Senza on, and I love them. The pants are really big, but like the top fits fine because of my bigger chest, but like the pants are literally like huge, but like look. It's fine. But I actually still love it. I feel so bougie in this. But yeah, let's head off to Queen Street. I'm gonna get ready now and maybe I'll show you guys what I'm wearing quickly, but it's probably gonna be something basic. I'm gonna bring you guys into bed at 11, but we're gonna head out now. I want to show you guys, I showed you a little tiny clip. My Tamagotchi is sleeping at the moment, but my parents found my Tamagotchi they were gonna give to me for Christmas. You know, throwing back to the old days. But what I'm wearing today is just this old Suns basketball sweater. I kind of want to crop it, but that's for another day. And then again, my Urban Outfitters jeans because I don't have any other jeans yet that I still have to unpack and I have so much to do, but I'm going shopping instead. You know how it is. But my sister and I are gonna head out now. I also forgot to mention my vlog yesterday, but I showed some clips. It snowed last night and it hasn't snowed a whole Christmas, so that's gonna be pretty too. So let's go downtown. My sister and I came back from downtown. It was so good, fresh. Ooh, love it. But the one on Queen Street was closed, so we had to go to the one in Spadina, so we shopped first. And it was a very lucky day because I found something in Urban Outfitters that I wanted for a really long time, and I had like a gift card, so we are happy about that. So if you can hear my bathroom in the back. But I found a matching piece that I've been looking for so long on sale, and it came to like $40 for the two of them together. But it was this top that has the little fluff on the top like this. I showed the clip of it in the try-on part that I was showing when I was actually at Urban Outfitters. And with the skirt, I also found it. It was literally like on the sale rack in my size, and I was like, it is fate. I can't say no now. And it just looks so cute together. I'll insert the clip again right now because it's just so cute. It's to die for. I'm so happy that I got it. And that it wasn't too expensive and I had a gift card. Like, it worked out so well. But yeah, so actually today, I know I keep on saying that I have to pack, but I am stressing about this. I don't know, I'm like always like, I'm so stressed I need to pack, but then I just end up lying in my bed watching TV. So I'm going to start packing now and actually like get the clothing out of the way because I can't do this. I can't do this anymore. But yeah, so I'm going to pack now. So I'll show you guys maybe a few little montages of it. I'm being popular right now, I guess. Phone's going off. But yeah, so I will catch up with you guys later on when I'm packing, and I better be done with my clothes today. Alright, my sister and I are doing damage. Like, we're just packing everything. She's already helped me pack a whole suitcase of clothing. I'm almost done with clothing. We did already shoes that we're gonna bring, and now we're just putting away stuff that I actually need to put away or what I'm giving away. Thank you very much. You the bestest. She's she's eating my Tic Tac gum as payment. There's no zipper on it? Yeah, there is right here. Oh. But yeah, so packing's actually, we've been killing it. I'm really actually hoping that tonight I can just be almost done. I need to do some laundry tonight too, but if we can get through most of this and then all I have to do is like sort through what makeup I want to bring and what skincare, and just do some laundry, that is totally cool with me. Literally, she's helped me for like 2 seconds and we've already gotten somewhere. So 2 seconds. I don't know how she does it, but she gave me some motivation and she also helps me do it. And she's like, are you kidding me? Don't bring that, come on. So I'm pretty impressed and pretty happy about that. So let's continue this productive night so then I can just enjoy my last few days. So we're going through my purses, so I all of a sudden open it and this is what I find inside. Classic me. Are you kidding me? You guys, I told you guys I'm going to be getting all matching pajamas, so we've got this one too, very extra. But my sister and I killed it tonight, so pretty much we went through all the clothes. I'm done packing for clothes, and we went through like miscellaneous things, and all I have to do now is go through makeup and skincare, which won't take too long, and then I'm done packing. So yeah, no, thank you. That was amazing for my sister to do. So we killed it. I just showered, but I'm honestly probably just gonna watch You for the rest of the night, the like new Netflix show, and then go to bed because in the morning I've got to pick up a few things before my boyfriend picks me up to go to Guelph. Also, look how dirty this towel is. My like hair, like dye came out of it. So comment down below if that's not normal. But hairdresser said it would come out a bit, but it's still pretty dark, so whatever. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked this vlog. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more vlogs from me, subscribe down below. And other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!